Hello everyone, this is Specialty Chef Marty here. Hey, I'm coming to you guys. I know you guys haven't saw my face on my videos, but I just wanted to go ahead and do this one challenge that my wife came to me and said, hey, you should do this challenge and put it on your channel to see what kind of reaction you'll get. So this is a food challenge, so it's the watermelon with the mustard. And what I've done is that I have cut up my own watermelon. If you can see that, there it is, fresh watermelon already cut up. And also I heard that this is the bread and mustard to use. They say it's supposed to taste good or indifferent, or I don't know. Let's go ahead and give it a try, see what happens. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a try now. Oh man, I am terrified right now. So here we go. I don't know if I should put a dab, or should I put a little bit, or should I put a squirt? I don't know, but we're gonna go ahead and give this a try real quick. All right, let's see what we got. My wife said she was gonna try it, but I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and give her a little bit as well. See what, since it was her that told me about it, I'm gonna go ahead and let her try it as well. So here we go. I got my mustard on there, if you see. Got my little bit of mustard right there on my watermelon. There it is. Watermelon is great. It's very sweet. She picked a good one, I tell you this. She picked a really, really good one here. I tried a little bit of salt on watermelon before, a little bit of sugar sometimes, but this is something that it's going to be a challenge for me, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. This is for the culinary world. This is for bizarre foods, taste challenges. My wife is in the background telling me to do it, and I'm still talking. But let's get it on. Let's see. Let's go for it. Let's go for it.
Do it.
Come on. Stop it.
Come on.
All right. Here we go. Oh no. I don't know, man. It's an acquired taste. It tastes like somebody put watermelon on a deli sandwich with mustard. If you don't like mustard, believe me, don't try this. I tell you, I tried it. You just saw me. Let me put it to a 1 scale, scale of, I can't even talk. The taste got my taste buds kind of crazy. Scale 1 to 10, 10 being the best. I'm gonna have to give this one like a 4 or a 3. Can't even fathom how this came about, but it was for culinary and it's for food, and that's what I do. This is Specialty Chef Marty. I tried to challenge watermelon and mustard. I gotta say, it was that's all I can say. But anyhow, this is Specialty Chef Marty speaking, and thank you for tuning in once again. And like, subscribe. I am even bringing out my own my own podcast called The Red Kitchen Foodcast. Catch me on that as well. Thank you for giving me just a little bit of your time, and thank you for letting me just bring to you this bizarre thing that I saw online, okay? Or on TikTok or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to go ahead and let this go. Again, thank you again for just tuning in. And like I always say at the end of my videos, keep cooking.